Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable day. Looking at GBPUSD and Euro dollar, both of them currently showing significant trading opportunity. We have seen that early today GBP news has been released on GDP, and afterwards we can see the market is aligning with the price action confirmation for this potential downside. Now, before we discuss how we can trade on the lower time frame, let's first looking at the higher time frame, looking at the monthly chart on GBP USD. Now, looking at the monthly chart on GU, we can see that this market currently showing bearish price action. After previous monthly narrow candle in January, there wasn't much volatility. This month, we see that the market started to expand. And if we look at this resistance here on GBP USD, we can see that the price respecting this level had a sharp rejection at this point. The way the market is heading, what I think that in the first move we can expect GBPUSD to break this low, as there is a liquidity below this long week candle, expecting for the price to come down and to create a new lower low. Looking at the weekly chart, from the weekly, if you look at previous week, a long week doji, the price has broken that high, and we saw that there was a series of lower high from the weekly perspective, and for the first time the price has broken that doji's high and then grabbed the liquidity and formed that a long week candle. Now at this point the price has got a rejection from the top. We can expect for the price now to drop down to create a new lower low. Now if we look at the daily chart, where we can see that from the daily time frame there was a big daily move where we saw significant liquidity gap, followed by previous day is a pure middleman. We can see there is a equal week on both sides, there is a healthy body. Now today, once the market opened from this level, after initial pullback the market started to drop, and as we can see that it's a downtrending market structure, expecting GBPUSD initially to break this low or even to create a new lower low. Now if we look at the intraday time frame, where we can see there is a bearish candle is being formed, and there is a quite a few dojis with consolidation, expecting GBPUSD now to on the lower time frame to go up for a pullback and then to give us potential selling opportunity. If we look at the 1 hour chart, where we can see that there is a 1 hour drop from this 20 EMA, there was a consolidation breakdown. We have seen now a pullback and expecting for the price to drop down again before dropping down further, expecting GBPUSD to retest this resistance level. As you can see, there was a local channel, this is a bullish channel, had a breakdown, expecting a retest and then continuation to the downside. So this is where we'll be waiting for a retest on GBP USD. As soon as we find suitable entry, we'll look for going short with a high probability trade setup. Now let's look at euro dollar. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have, again starting with the monthly on euro dollar. Now from the monthly as well, we can see that euro dollar previous months bearish candle, this month after initial pullback. Also we have seen that significant drop as this market started to drop from this resistance level, and I think that the price we can expect for long term to retest this support level. If we look at the weekly chart on euro dollar, we can see in the same way the price has broken that high, this doji created an overextended, and then we have seen that immediate rejection to the upside. Currently the price, you can see there is quite a few dojis here, and for me I think we could see before the candle close another wave to the upside to grab further liquidity, and then we can expect for the price to remain bearish as we see a very sharp drop, pullback, expecting to have another movement. Now if we look at the 1 hour chart on euro dollar, we can see that the market is breaking out of this level and then getting rejected, so which is basically long term bearish price action. We'll be waiting for the price to grab another liquidity, and especially above this level there is a high liquidity, expecting for the price to go ahead and retest to create an overextended, and from this zone I will be looking for potential selling on euro dollar. As soon as you will find suitable and you look for going short with a high probability trade setup. If you enjoyed this analysis, guys and girls, give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel wherever you are following me on social medias. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.